It's rainy today. My lead-filled body peels from horizontal to vertical, and I trip over the layers I shed on my way to the kitchen to find a cardboard muffin. Maybe I'll eat some more cardboard after. It's rainy today. I'll put on some clear plastic clothes and go to the store, maybe run some errands. But wait, it's too cold. I don't want to get out of my car. So I'll just keep driving. It's rainy today, and not just in my heart, more than in my mind and words. I'm talking about the actual rain punching against my windshield that looks like... What does it look like? It's rainy today, and I'm home again. Home? Is that what I'm calling it? Maybe it's a box filled with cardboard walls, cardboard food, cardboard words and cardboard listening, cardboard floors and dreams and plants and hope. Too much fucking cardboard. I hate the color brown. It's rainy today. But maybe tomorrow it won't be. Maybe the clouds will leave. Maybe I'll see yellow. Maybe these cardboard walls will turn into cement memories. But today, it's rainy.